Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer asset disposal entries into Xero for taxes, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer asset disposal entries into Xero for tax purposes, begin by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your financial information. Select the Accounting tab from the main menu. Click on Fixed Assets to see your list of assets. Identify the asset you need to dispose of. Click on the asset to open its details. Locate the option to dispose of the asset, usually found within the asset details. Enter the disposal date in the designated field. Choose the disposal method from the available options. If applicable, input the sale price or proceeds received from the disposal. Ensure that all relevant costs, such as selling expenses, are recorded. Review the accumulated depreciation for the asset up to the disposal date. Once everything is confirmed, click on the button to complete the disposal. Xero will automatically generate the necessary journal entries for the asset disposal. Next, navigate to the Reports section in the Accounting tab. Select the tax report to ensure that the asset disposal is accurately reflected. Confirm that the asset disposal is showing in the tax report and is allocated correctly. If any adjustments are needed, return to the Fixed Assets section to make corrections. Once satisfied, save or export the report for your tax records. Keep a detailed record of all documents related to the asset disposal for future reference. Finally, consult with your accountant if you have any questions regarding tax implications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.